Video 663. We are making a game engine from complete scratch. We're on video 663. Every video we add just a little bit of code, then we review it. We're on BFJ 13. Let's review all of the 663 deltas because we're on video 663. The source code for this video is here, and if you want a shorter explanation, you will have to go to the Ninja Coder channel. You're on the Kanji Coder channel right now. So this is the fragment shader optimization section, and we've added an extra visual explanation of why we put the non-optimized code goes first before the optimized code. There's a visual explanation right here to explain why we do that. Then in ARTGIRL shader lookup tables, we've added an extra commentary to say that only common lookup tables go into this section. So only lookup tables that are used by most of the shaders. A loading screen shader probably won't use any of these lookup tables, but we're not going to consider that under the kind of like most category of most shaders. So anything that's in here is currently grandfathered in here, but from now on, we abide to this fucking rule for this section. Then down in here in the ARTGIRL shader strings and shader source fragment number 8, this is going to be the bombs for Josh shader. This is where we're going to work on all of our shader code. Then down here in the ARTGIRL function section, we have this function called shader source fragment raw converted to shader source fragment preprocessed. And what this does is it takes the shader string and it's going to look for injection site tokens. So tokens that have these kind of triple square bracket around it. And it's going to find that and it's going to replace it with the lookup table on the CPU side. So we're going to take CPU side lookup tables and we're going to use this function to inject them into the GPU. So you could think of anything that looks like this as kind of like a mega macro, right? And so for any of these tokens to work, they're going to have to be explicitly encoded into this function. And that's kind of a review of how the ARTGIRL system works. Here's what we did previously. We have some footnotes down here, and then we have some more footnotes down here, and then we have what we did in this video. If you want a shorter explanation, you have to go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. We do not have time here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch in JavaScript using a C99 data-oriented design style. It is a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game with proximity mines that explode vertically, horizontally, and four-way. You can make all these crazy chain reaction, Rube Goldberg of death designs. It's kind of like Tetris, but you're gonna fucking die. Like and subscribe.